ट्रेडर्स, मेरा ऑटोमेटेड ट्रेडिंग रोबोट एक्सपर्ट एडवाइज़र एआई आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस ट्रेडिंग रोबोट क्या कहता है, इसको मैंने ना ग्रेजुअली डेली का H4 का H1 और 30 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम दिया है, क्योंकि एक टाइम फ्रेम पे जो है ना वो थोड़ा सा ये होता है कि रॉन्ग सिग्नल भी आ जाता है। तो ये चीज़ रोबोट क्या कह रहा है ज़रा गौर से आप भी सुने, मैं साथ साथ आपको ना समझा भी दूंगा। मैं ये प्ले करता हूँ।
Okay, I understand. I'm ready. Please send the xauusd gold chart pictures one by one, starting with the daily chart, then the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 30-minute charts. I will analyze them and give you my assessment of the overall trend.
ठीक है जी, सबसे पहले मैंने इसको दिया है, ये देखो ये D1 का टाइम फ्रेम है, D1 डेली टाइम फ्रेम। इसमें इसने क्या सजेस्ट किया ज़रा सुने।
Okay, I've received the daily chart, D1, for xauusd gold. Here's my initial observation. Candlestick analysis. The chart shows a mix of green, bullish, and red, bearish candlesticks, indicating periods of both buying and selling pressure. There is recent price action showing a few bearish candles. The most recent candle appears to be a red, bearish candle. Price levels. The price is currently hovering around the 2,907.00 level. There are visible price levels marked on the right side of the chart, providing potential support and resistance zones. Initial impression. The daily chart suggests a period of potential consolidation or a possible shift towards a bearish trend, especially with the most recent candles. However, it's too early to definitively say. Need for further context. To get a clearer picture of the overall trend, I need to see the 4-hour, 1-hour, and 30-minute charts. Please send the 4-hour chart when you're ready.
ठीक है जी, ये देखें जी, ये है H4 का चार्ट। ऑटोमेटेड रोबोट कहता है कि मुझे अब H4 का चार्ट दें, उसको मैंने दे दिया और वो क्या कहता है सुने ज़रा।
All right, I've received the 4-hour H4 chart for xauusd. Here's my analysis based on this chart and the previously provided daily chart. Candlestick analysis, H4. Similar to the daily chart, there's a mix of bullish and bearish candles, indicating volatility. There's a cluster of recent bearish candles, suggesting short-term selling pressure. The price is currently near the 2,906.76 level. Comparison with daily chart. The H4 chart provides a more granular view of the recent price action seen in the daily chart. The bearish candles on the H4 chart reinforce the potential for a short-term downtrend that was hinted at in the daily chart. Potential trend, H4. The 4-hour chart is showing a small downtrend. The combination of the daily and 4-hour chart suggests that gold might be experiencing a short-term bearish pullback or a potential trend reversal. Next steps. To further refine the trend analysis, I need to see the 1-hour and 30-minute charts. These charts will provide a closer look at the intraday price action and help identify any potential support or resistance levels. Please send the 1-hour chart when you're ready.
चलें जी, ये देखें जी, ये H1 का अब चार्ट इसको मैंने दी है। अब इस पे ये ऑटोमेटेड रोबोट क्या कहता है सुने।
Okay, I have the 1-hour H1 chart for xauusd. Here's my analysis, building on the previous charts. Candlestick analysis, H1. The H1 chart shows a more detailed view of the recent price fluctuations. There's a mix of bullish and bearish candles, indicating intraday volatility. The most recent candles show a consolidation around the 2,907 area. Comparison with H4 and daily. The H1 chart confirms the short-term bearish pressure seen in the H4 chart, but it also shows periods of consolidation. The price is still below the daily chart open price. Potential trend H1. The 1-hour chart is showing a consolidation period. The H1 chart suggests that the short-term trend is still uncertain. There's potential for further downside, but the consolidation indicates possible support. Next steps. To get a more precise understanding of the immediate trend, I need to see the 30-minute chart. This will provide the most granular view of the current price action and help identify any potential breakout or breakdown levels. Please send the 30-minute chart when you're ready.
ये है जी M30 मिनट का टाइम फ्रेम, सारी 30 मिनट की कैंडल्स हैं। इस पे ऑटोमेटेड रोबोट अब क्या कहता है, ये सारा कंपैरिजन करता है। डेली का चार्ट इसने देखा है हमारे रोबोट ने, H4 H1, अब ये 30 मिनट का, और ये आपस में कंपैरिजन करता है।
Okay, I've received the 30-minute M30 chart for xauusd. Here's my analysis based on all the charts provided. Candlestick analysis, M30. The M30 chart provides the most detailed view of the immediate price action. It shows a mix of bullish and bearish candles, indicating short-term volatility. The price is currently around 2,906.89. The chart shows that price has moved below the open price of the day. Comparison with other time frames. The M30 chart confirms the consolidation observed in the H1 chart. It also aligns with the bearish pressure seen in the H4 and daily charts. Overall trend assessment. Short-term, M30, H1. The short-term trend appears to be consolidating with a slight bearish bias. The price is fluctuating within a narrow range, indicating indecision. Midterm, H4. The 4-hour chart suggests a bearish trend. Long-term, daily. The daily chart shows recent bearish action, which could lead to a downward trend or a continuation of consolidation. Overall, the overall trend appears to be leaning bearish, but the short-term consolidation suggests that a breakout or breakdown could occur. The price is below the daily open price, which is a bearish indicator. Key observations. The price is currently below the daily open price, which is a bearish signal. The price is consolidating in the short term. The 4-hour chart is showing a downtrend. Recommendation. It's important to watch for a breakout or breakdown from the current consolidation range. Due to the current bearish bias, short positions may be favored, but with very tight stop losses due to the consolidation. Be aware of key support and resistance levels. Disclaimer. This analysis is based on the provided charts and is for informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Trading Forex involves significant risk, and you should consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
अच्छा जी, मैंने इसको फिर कहा है कि मैं आपको 15 मिनट का चार्ट प्रोवाइड करता हूँ, थोड़ा सा मज़ीद इसको जो है ना और क्लियर करें।
Okay, I understand. Please send the 15-minute chart for xauusd. I'll incorporate it into my analysis and provide an updated assessment of the overall trend.
लो जी, M15 का भी मैंने इसको चार्ट दे दिया है, ठीक है। अब ये देखें।
Alright, I've received the 15-minute M15 chart for xauusd. Let's integrate this into the analysis. Candlestick analysis, M15. The M15 chart shows very short-term price fluctuations. It highlights the immediate volatility and the price action within the consolidation range observed in the M30 and H1 charts. It shows that the price is moving around the 2,904.00 price point. The most recent candles show a slight bearish movement. Comparison with other time frames. The M15 chart reinforces the short-term consolidation and the slight bearish bias seen in the higher time frames. The price is still under the daily open price. Updated overall trend assessment. Ultra short-term M15. The M15 chart confirms the very short-term volatility and the consolidation within a narrow range, with a slight bearish push. Short-term M30 H1. Consolidation with a bearish lean. Mid-term H4. Bearish. Long-term daily. Potential bearish shift or continued consolidation. Overall, the overall trend continues to lean bearish. The M15 chart provides a very granular view of the immediate price action, which is consistent with the consolidation and slight bearish bias observed in the higher time frames. The price remaining below the daily open price is a continuing bearish indicator. Key points. The price is still below the daily open price, reinforcing the bearish sentiment. The short-term price action is characterized by consolidation and volatility. The 4-hour chart is still showing a downtrend. The most recent price action on the 15-minute chart is bearish. Recommendation: continue to monitor for a breakout or breakdown from the current consolidation range. Given the overall bearish bias, consider short positions with very tight stop-loss orders. Pay close attention to key support and resistance levels. Due to the volatility, extra caution should be used. Disclaimer: as before, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Trading Forex carries significant risk. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.
अच्छा जी, ये मैंने भी सारा देखा पढ़ा है और अपना भी एनालिसिस किया है। गोल्ड जो है ना, मैं ये इसका चार्ट ओपन करके आपको दिखा देता हूँ। ये अभी भी 2904 के आसपास है, बिल्कुल लाइव गोल्ड का चार्ट है, लेकिन इसकी ये डे रेंज देख लें 2918.17, 2920 पे गोल्ड की रेजिस्टेंस है। मैंने कल रात को वीडियो अपलोड की थी, आज मंडे मार्केट ओपन होने से पहले, और 2918 से ये 2 बार रिजेक्ट हुआ है, नीचे आया है। ठीक है, ये देखें 2895.46 पे। तो रेजिस्टेंस एंड सपोर्ट का कोई भी इंडिकेटर यूज़ कर लें, ठीक है, और रेजिस्टेंस के पास से सेल करें। हमारा इंडिकेटर ने सारे टाइम फ्रेम देखे हैं, ऊपर से लेके डेली से लेके M30 तक, तो ये सेल को सजेस्ट कर रहा है। ठीक है, और मेरा भी आपको यही कहना है कि एक ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस है हमारी जो करीब है, वो है 2910। इसके पास से आप सेल कर सकते हैं, 2910 का SL लगाएंगे, 2911, और उसके बाद फिर जो है वो 2920 की ऊपर रेजिस्टेंस है। एक 2910 की है करीब तरीन, इससे भी सेल कर सकते हैं, और 2920। बहरहाल ओवरऑल ट्रेंड जो है ना वो डाउनवर्ड ही है।